The objective of paper 1, the general paper objective is given here. So what is the purpose? Why do they assess paper 1? Why it is mandatory and compulsory for all the aspirants of UGC NET examination? So first one is to assess the teaching and research capabilities and aptitude of the candidates. So as a lecturer or assistant professor in a university or college, he or she must have the research and teaching capability as well as aptitude for teaching as well as research. So this is the first criteria. And second one is to assess the cognitive abilities. So cognitive abilities means how fast they work, how fast they calculate, right? It is logical reasoning and other components. And third objective is comprehension. Comprehension means understanding. So they give you a paragraph in English, and then you are supposed to read within the shortest span of time and understand the meaning of the passage and answer the questions given in the examination. Then the other objective is understanding the structure of arguments. So there are arguments given and you are supposed to read the arguments and understand its structure. And another objective is deductive and inductive reasoning. What is deductive and inductive reasoning? So from general to particular is deductive, from particular to general is inductive. We will see in detail when we go for the subsequent classes. So the reasoning ability of the candidate also is assessed through this examination. And apart from this, having these knowledge, having I mean attain these objectives. So what are the other objectives as candidate must meet? So general awareness about teaching and learning process in higher education system in India particularly. So how a higher education system functions and what are the new policies implemented by the government then and now and then what are the schemes, different fellowships, and what are the schemes and policies introduced for the welfare and growth of the students as well as promotion of higher education system in India, like UGC, NTA, NAC, then IQAC, then NCTE. So similar organizations you can see IGNO. So these are all the part of our higher education system. And the last one is our last objective is awareness of interaction between people, environment, natural resources, and the impact on the quality of life. So as a lecturer or assistant professor of a college or university, so he or she must know and aware of the people and environment and their interaction, and how to protect the natural resources and how it impacts on the quality of life. So these are all the objectives and reasons why they have included in paper 1. So that is general. So you can easily score marks in paper 1. So definitely I can help you to achieve and score better marks in paper 1 without much hassles or hurdles. So there are so many easy ways to score the marks. So those components will be taught to you in the actual classes, and during discussion and during question paper discussion as well as quizzes when you go for online test. So these will be discussed.